It was just another Saturday evening in the office, and then I received a suspicious phone call from an unknown number. All I was able to make out from the phone call was wah, 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 wah,
So I used
wah.
my handy dandy brain and slowed it down a little bit, cleaned it up, and I was able to hear a message. And the message pretty much said that the whole city's gonna blow up, which frankly I don't believe it. So, but I mean, I'm still gonna work on the case because I'm bored. But they said that there's a bomb somewhere and there's something about a code, and that's about it.
So I did my own research and discovered a anonymous email to meet in my local park. So that's what I did. So I was able to do some more research regarding the Gilbert Lee situation and the diffusion of the bomb.
I was able to find out who Gilbert Lee really was. He turns out he's a gun manufacturer. So I paid him a visit. Hey, do you happen to know Gilbert Lee?
That's me. What can I help you with?
So I just received a call about a bomb. You know anything about a bomb?
Dude, I always tell you, man, I have no idea.
Are you sure?
Dude, I have no idea. Tell me, where's the bomb? It's the product rule! It's the product rule!
Product rule? What's the product rule?
U1 times V plus V1 times U.
Math? Math? I'm terrible at math. I don't know anything about math. Hey, wait a second. Where's the bomb at?
Oh, it's at 3700 North 28th Street.
Okay, see ya. That's how it's done. So I was able to retrieve the bomb here, and I don't know much math myself, so I called the well-known mathematician, Tyrell Schmiedelpin. Anyway, we're hoping he can defuse this bomb, and we're also hoping it doesn't blow up right in my face. So, that's that.
Yo, it's Tyrell Schmiegelberry. I'm about to solve this problem using this product rule. This is number 11 out of 3.3. We need to find dy dx for y equals x plus 1 times x squared plus 1. part A is find the product rule, use the product rule to find dy dx, and then part B is to multiply it out and then use the power rule to find dy dx to prove the product rule it works. So the first step is we're going to find our u and v, and then u prime and v prime to use the product rule. So our u will be x plus 1, and our v will be x squared plus 1. Then we are going to use the power rule to find the derivatives of those. So for x plus 1, it will be 1, and for v prime, it will be 2x. Then we are going to use the product rule to set up an equation to find the derivative or dy dx. So the power rule, u prime times v plus u times v prime. So then we will plug in what our u prime, v, and v prime are into this equation. So then we have 1 times x squared plus 1 plus x plus 1 times 2x. So then we will multiply out and solve for dy dx. So then our final answer for dy dx is 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. And to prove that this rule exists, we will multiply out first using FOIL, and then we will use the power rule to find dy dx. Then using the power rule, we will find the derivative dy dx to prove that the product rule works. So you drop the 3 down, 3x, then you subtract 1, 3x squared. Then you do the next one, plus 2x, drop minus 1 here, minus 1 here, and then x just goes to 1. And as you can see, they're the same.
Well, thanks to Tyrell Schmegany, man, we were able to defuse the bomb and save the day. You're welcome.